In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best DJ controllers available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best DJ controllers, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best DJ Controllers. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Pioneer DJ DDJ SR2 Compatible. If you are searching for a DJ controllers, the Pioneer DJ DDJ SR2 Compatible review on our list is ideal for you. A series of dedicated buttons were created to trigger the curated functions in Serato DJ. Use the large, molten-colored tactile performance pads trigger the hot cues, roll and sampler features. Hit the pads and watch their colors change as they indicate the selected pad mode and playing status. Serato Pitch End Time DJ Controls. Number 4. Roland 2-Channel DJ Controller. The next product we have got on our list is the Roland 2-Channel DJ Controller. 2-Channel for deck controller for Serato DJ. Large platters with the lowest available latency, optimized for scratching. 8 sounds in each TR kit. Free upgrade to Serato DJ Pro included. The Roland Drum Machine Legacy in a DJ controller. Mixing and scratching. Built-in drum kits from Roland Legendary Pattern 909, Pattern 808. Number 3. Hercules DJ Control Impulse 300. If you're looking for a Hercules DJ Control Impulse 300 with DJ controllers, learn Ding with the controller's exclusive functions. Master the basics of Ding with interactive help and integrated tutorial videos. Prepare your mixes easily with the Imam, the intelligent music assistant, and its suggestions of hottest tracks. Perfect your mix with effects, modes, and 16 pads. Learn the right moves thanks to the layout of the buttons and sliders, like those found on a professional controller. Number 2. Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX6 DJ Controller. More than 185 star reviews praised the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX6 DJ Controller for its portability. Turn on Jog Cutter and move the jog wheel to apply a professional sounding scratch effect to the last hot cue or playback position you used on the deck. Merge FX preset and press the knob. Create pro sounding scratch effects, one-handed. Full-size jog wheels with track position display. Get creative with your favorite sounds. Number 1. Hercules DJ Starter Kit. The Hercules DJ Starter Kit are the best DJ controllers you can buy this year. The complete kit to get started with Serato DJ Lite and become a DJ. The full range of must-have features in one super handy controller. Bass EQ and filter frequency controls. Control pausing and playback of tracks, and have fun scratching with the touch-sensitive jog wheels. The DJ Monitor 32 active monitoring speakers were designed with high-end components for optimal precision and audio rendering, with exceptional listening quality.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.